Like and love and share. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Share the video and pop in. A shame my disgrace or wow. My hate go kill you now. Get that gwa see you now life. Always looking for a way to wish people evil. At the end of the day, now their house the evil thing. You can't be horrible, not be small, no. Not be small, my darling. Horrible, your mama. Not be small thing, no. What to do? Anyway, this is the time for me to be horrible. Enjoy this my plus size. Because tomorrow night it can make it can still disappear. Like and love and share the video. Like and love and share the video. Echo better. P toilet, mama dead body. Ivierio, shake it all dead bay. But una pain, why it be say now una the fact they do? But if they do now, the pain no they come for na body. Why? What's any pain? Not by that bungwaren wasungu. Year to year in year out. Now they always they wish people evil thing. At the end of the day, now then the evil they meet. CP toilet when he did Facebook, mama dead body. He wish people should drink bye. At the end of the day, he bastard, rejected, ugly, smelly children head on a VOA. Or where if there's one parable in Benin say if you too wish your enemy back, if you be say now you will fair go front. Long live to Daddy Rita. Cause at first I felt they look at more. Because what it make me be no quick post. The way we Rita at the right time. I say Rita go right time like this. You know, it was a daddy to him papa. Now that right up now no make me. I be no quick believe. Mama tell me. Long live to Daddy Queen Rita. Yes. Now another thing. Rita post because they are always looking for your downfall. They are always happy to hear bad news about you. Now Rita you give their work yesterday and it was so Rita won't use laugh kill me yesterday when I was washing. Eko better awa fiangu. Ekito degbe. Eko better they do what they do. You know, Eko better awa fiangu. Now Eko better carry saga enter the social media. Now Eko better start this old bullying. Just name it. We can't make they bully people anyhow. When we say the people when the new bully come day because everybody was now like defending themselves. No, you can't give what you can't take. Now I can't better carry bully 10 years, I be 15 years of media. A bully here with nothing to show. A fake life you were here passion. A peace woman. Joy you don't get. Nothing. They wish Papa even yesterday when I even post them say Papa Rita bye. You will wish to say you reach the age when Papa Rita even as he there so is it there alive sound strong and healthy. You go wish make you go pray say make you reach that age if you go reach 1/4. If you go reach 1/4 of Papa Rita age, you go happy. Because how can an old man, person when he don't old, You they celebrate. See what they talk. Shall una say saga not the key? Saga don't buy. Saga all saga buy apart from your dead life. Your useless, stupid, and who you're. See what this saga turn your life and your stupid or who you're. Only yes, it be like. Not be you saga buy for life. Kuweka who you're. Oh, why saga be yagbo? Not be you. Old man, you could happy say old man. Say old man, bye. Are you not? Person we don't get grandchildren, even great grandchildren, if I'm not mistaken. Now you they say you. So now old man, they follow the fight. No wonder if you hear beating from me, urale, you know they feel they face your mate one-on-one. No good boy no devil what they pain na you. Your children now don't grow. Everything that way they do now, so you go affect those your bastard children when they say you born. Oh, you affect him. Oh yes, I can person they bully for 10 good years. 10 good years. They bully people, innocent children. I can person go you enter me that begin they bully for good 10 or 15 years. I don't know how many years you don't do this media. Like, how is it possible? Not even a single week when this bastard never bully people, bully children, bully papa, bully mama. I don't understand. Now, so you they sick. Like, in your show, say you don't really get joy, you don't get peace, you don't get nothing when it's good for your existence. Even the children when you get nothing good. Because if they're even good, how can you go they bully for good how many years? No stop. What do they do for how many years? Even before me even come media. Now you see they do up to date. They are sure what I can do for Europe. The thing really affect you now. How is it possible? Like and love and share this video. Okay, Rebanso. Uwe saga wo we are wuji. Uwe bully. When you are bullying who you were, because who you were when you bully. Now your children future when you bully. Now your old age and who you're when you bully. Who you want bully again? Now new thing. How do you work back here now? So you may say for how many years? Wait till you take start media. You never see tire you. Egbema wowe. Egbema wowe no devai wa yo wa no sungu. A doctors are share one of we are. All your face, all your body don't wrinkle because of bully, because of saga. I never see 1 week when this disaster, when they did this media, I say 1 week, it stay off saga. I mean, if you don't see I hear your was stay off saga or bullying children, mama, papa. Tell me, say 1 week, then when I hear your word, don't stop. Una bitterness not be here, oh. I hear you, your bitterness go kill you, oh. You start bullying of everything. You go the verse the bully the rotten bastard when you born no good boy. You know since when you dead out of my son and I never come for your bastard. Idenia. Where the DNA get wila? You don't go give papa wila DNA. Woman when he tells my house when another man they ask of DNA, shameless thing. Woman when he say he tells my house, but another man they won't go do DNA with. You don't go give papa wila DNA no go berak bijou be even near him do. Anyway, bijou my turn. Now prayer say me person mama and papa last. My mother no is me matter, but my father say they are alive. He whatever where me at. Your papa and your mama are fear wherever was fear because of bad evil. No one lasts. If your papa and your mama they like Queen Rita, papa and mama, that would they saga and you go like them. When you be so owner was it's obvious that you don't go even reach that age. A John will go winner. For Europe here, they take care of vulnerable people. You see children and old people. You know why they don't use any plane? Because now they are vulnerable. They don't get strength. They don't. All small picking now. You know, if you do fellow, you do anything. That they likewise old people. Because now they don't get straight. Eh, Dieu, we nous ri useless, c'est. We nous ri ho ho, c'est. Ogbe la bien kave Dieu, ame dede. No go na gbe we gu we no go bully. You know they ever they feel they face your mate one on one. They not born your generation rich like that. Now other people when they weak, when be say, "I make think fight by you are only a how many are fight." Now you do always. You know the shame, no good bear you you want to divide war. You go reach that age. We are saying Rita say. As you old reach, you never even reach that age. See your face. Get face away. See your life. Ugi hion might be raeji where rude bully. You never even reach 1/4. You don't reach 40. Where's the 40? I share what but I win. Okay, because say you can't tell you what they do. Your mama say you can they do at the age of 10 years. You do it like we but at the age of 10. So for your man now you don't old. No devil who are no good boy. They like to follow vulnerable people they fight. If they happy, oh. Papa Rita doctor. Papa Rita, meanwhile he's alive. Papa Rita at that age. A pada gbena. They met us every me agbe pada. E live video we awujisha. Eru we awa do na do wa fian we live video. There is no single day of peace in your life. No single day of joy. Your bitterness, they need to study them. People now for this thing, they go holiday. When you who see ma koto say, umahio ba wa go no konko no go. Ordinary holiday you cannot afford. You say you follow you drive whether you be number 1 or you be number 10. Ordinary feed yourself. The person they call yourself number 1. You can't even feed yourself. You will be beggar. You cannot afford feeding for yourself or even for the job in the car that they go. You cannot afford holiday. You cannot afford nothing. People they buy house for UK. Your house is say you even buy it, I don't even care. But it's the most rotten jungle ever. You know they ask me roti pass for the history of buying house in Europe. Oh wow, kekegbe or kekegbe. You don't see house where your mate they buy for UK. If say you buy ammo because that house they say na government house. If your buy they say na the car house when she did when I for drive one say me she go buy house. He said na that car, he said na the same shape, the same color, everything. But you say you buy him, no problem. But why you be saying roti? You see your life because of bullying, go one way UK go one way rotting or one dead body very rotting. You know see your more though. You see Anna. Now make you anybody when you come out for this thing that I see the reason why. Even up to me when come out, everybody come out they doing thing. Because you have never have a thing that you bring on this media doing apart from bullying. That's this why if everybody come and they do their thing, you will use saga, use bully, everything. They won't spoil what people bring. Because say you now do bullying for how many years? Nothing to show. That is why you were disturbing people on this media. And that boy now iye-eki oh. Now make you go and disturb people because you know say your life does spoil. Nothing good is going to come out of it. That's why if anybody come at you, they do it thing. You go carry bullying, go meet them. I come out for this media doing my naked. Wait till you do and you and your rotten stupid bastard children when you born. No go and not better be you not be the way you die. What till you do? Queen Rita, me I dey even if I dey do my naked this thing that I dey watch Queen Rita. Queen Rita was the only presenter when we say if they talk how they watch. I like his show when they do that time. Because me, I be person when they sit down there, how they listen. When people they talk their story, it get many story when people talk for Queen Rita show when it's still there in my head. When it's still there in my head, when we say I see they remember, they you know, and they sit down, they watch Queen Rita, we were here for. And when they do something, the thing will even they sweet me more like the thing will they quick. If I they clean, if I they anything when I they do, then if I will also come and you can't do my show, I also come out. But when I did, Queen Rita was the only person I was watching. She come out with her own thing. Oh yes, you know, you call. I only bullying that you can't give your children, your great grandchildren. When we say your great grandchildren, you no, I dey look you now. You carry bully, can't give your bastard best children and the great grandchildren when you want born. Yes, make I tell you. Ogwa vale e money you where I be with me diamond. Ogwa vale where. You know now. Now your work. Ogun aya valinya where me personally. Ya yo budunya where ya valo we why you talk. If ya be if vanya where they are not why. Now waiting you can record this media. Ogun agbe money ememo ya no ma ebie avanu wa valinya where media no. Oh yes, now you no go value we. Ye media na no go ave vale monuma ebie. Ni we here bie. Yes to come. That's the seed that you bastard plant on this media. And you go collecting. Your full existence, your generation will collect on this media. Based on say people then you say now only saga now you know how to do. Now only to bully people, children, people, mama, people, papa. Innocent people. So tell me why your bastard children and your grandchildren no go collect woto. You already know, you know. So I don't even need to tell you. Ogun avali we. Only give you where man afia who ye le poromo. Ya man afia who yo do. So get that one for the back of your mind. Now. You know I will discuss on it. Queen Rita was doing her thing. Queen Rita was doing her thing on this media. Now let you not get what you bring it. You see people when they do content now, when they do content for this media, when they come and they do their thing, when people, their people no go carry bully, go meet them. See, and I say you, after how many years of bullying on me, that say the house, the rotten house, when they say, for 10 years on me, that now that house is supposed to for UK. I hear your word. Benny Omo Edo, she don't reach 10 years for me there. No, for 10 years of bullying, children, papa, mama, igbama, and everybody. Now that rotten akusana is supposed there for this. You are supposed to be the most biggest. Based on saying that you be there, I hear your word. You say now you first start media, now you first come, now you first do this one. Yes, now we come meet you. But now that has you supposed there for after all the old evil when you don't do for this media. Based on say you say now so you they pack money, you even treat people. You do for one night, who right? Nothing, you not find money. But thief who were right the media now. You thief government, you thief the people. Or when you can be here, you are supposed to be in a castle, palazzo, 10 years. So you shamelessly come and celebrate you did 10 years for media. But now me who we are one bash here when I go feel when I go feel iye-eki, when we there here gonna dey here. And when I go where do I celebrate 10 years? The media where we are in media. What do you show for them? What do you make you call the celebrator? What do you show for them? Where do you bring bring come and say na you for all the things when you don't do. What did you show? What did you show? You just celebrate 10 years for maths. You celebrate 10 years of bullying. Yeah. Celebrate 10 years of bullying innocent children. Bullying pregnant women. Bullying people who never born. Bullying old mama. Bullying old papa. You celebrate the 10 years. Where? Oh, we are fearing. Oh, we are the most painful death now you will die. Where? Oh, we are the most painful one. In short, and now the president of all those idiots, all those frustrated, useless, and go on that 5 children, 5 papa. Now they are president you go buy put when you fear wuji. Yes, man. Because you are to a morio magbe. Walk a fian wulele, uka fian wu, uka here. One day. Imagine celebrating an old man when you be say you never even reach half of the age when the man dey. You dey be oh, you know the shame. I know say you know the shame. Why they even they ask when you be say you dey shameless? Why am I even asking? So if to say Papa Rita, he talk say person when he see children they do well grow, see great grandchildren. Now that your children now you don't see now. If you went back with me, you they happy say person when you don't see great grandchildren, even the one when the other ones want born wants to born, you they happy say bye. Are you kidding? Old man. Are you the feel saying at the same age you now dey? And you not get respect for your useless ashable mama and your stupid father when he fuck you. How you won't get respect for person papa? That old man like that. As you not get respect for your papa because say he honor you where you honor Zazan. Why not? Why? That is why you have never have respect for people's father, old people on this media. Celebrate you. Papa Rita. No, he alive. He's sound and healthy. Oh, what? That means that he should say that man, that man go 120. We are looking at 120, 120, and walk out in the look of thing. You offer your back. No, you see, Anna, Papa Rita, they are alive. Even as old as you see, when you see old, so you see they are alive. That means a man, yeah, who Baba na that's that man go too sharp. He go see children, eh? Wow. Wow, Tony Maga Baba. Long live Papa Rita. Oh, man, ya what so? He show you Tony. He go last more. And we can't say the same thing about you. No, it's unfortunate we can't say the same thing for you. Because we're top. And always wishing evil, wanting evil. Person no go near you. Person no go near una now they near them. Person no go find una but at the end of the day now they cry. Mama dead body, pit toilet, public toilet when it take Germany. Now so you wish people evil. If me, people when it not cost me, you not talk to me. I know they talk to your picking. Yes. That is why my being on this media has been a blessing, not a loss. And we near me before you know. But there are people on this media what did they get before not fian we over coma on a fian on a like come on a fian we na gia. People there this that way be say what did they bring the people when they bring it that for coma it go come for 2 years on a fian. Because going to people, finding people when they don't find you, nature will, you know, is very bad. Very, very bad. Now that one, now you find me. Now you find Kudita, now you find, now you find everybody. I hear you wake up better, now you. So with that mama dead body, pit toilet, anything can go and shuki, and fear you, rotting to toe. Oh yeah, na fian joao. Picking that for I know. I'm not feeling now, three basi, three papa. Because of that one, now because of me, that one even wrong. After I don't born, very senseless human being. The other person will not get sense, but if they feel say she wise. I'm smart. Mama dead body, you not smart. You are the most stupid person on the planet Earth. You are smart. If you smart like this, you born for 3 different men. And I in Beshile, now you they born for the men. If to say you not come smart to come, what do you for do? Imagine you they talk say you smart, because I they see sometimes they talk say I smart. And you born 3 in Beshile bastard ugly when no good dog buy. You born for 3 different men, 3 different nations, you know. If to say you not come smart, what do you for do? No, you are the most dullest and stupid person. Pit toilets. That is why you still use your total share, give anything. Because you're not smart. Because person when is smart, suppose no say, even if men they park, they come. I want move any video. Anything a rabbit fuck you. Now you claim you are with an imbecile, a Paul and Silas. But man, will they describe your toto? You know, they fuck you, shook and put for your toto for media. What a shame. Mama dead body pit toilet. What a shame. Now everything wanna wish for me. It does not be today. The time when can take care consequence when they say normally nothing you will say you want to do to me on this media when they walk. I want you know they walk. Based on say una born for 3 different men, una born for different men, una born bastard. Rejected bastard for different men. Una come if say me too, I will be like una. No, I don't feel be like una. Meti na what? It's impossible. Anyway, if you not hear what elwa mubo ne. Now waiting spoil. If you not hear. You not get love for family. Dana no remana no guana be ya da no ruwe casket in a twin. One of you another in best side ugly in Beshile, mama dead body. No guana zaga away. No family love. No baby father love. Nobody love. That's why she's always jealous of me. Because if they see the love when say that they receive, you can never have it till you die come for this planet. So stop being hating and jealous. When it be anybody when they around me, they show me love, they love me and my son. Now wait till you know whoever get you die. You and your family rejects. Now different men don't reject you. They reject you with ugly bastard, but they don't look back. The family now not look back, the man not look back. This Zana, the papa now is nowhere to be found. You don't see carry another map picking, give another person a share go public toilets, pit toilets. Dana no soon wuni ba bo afia kun lele no soon we na go tio no soon we come. Then as your first son take that for come and so this one too see that for come ofian gu. No ru within na no ho. If they born you were person. Now so you will then live your life for the social media. You will live in secret. You will the waka, you will the baba. You will never be free in your life till you die come for this planet. You will never be free. Never. Mama dead body. You will never be free. You will never have love. You continue to be using money to buy love, but yet you will not have it. There's nothing like real genuine love. I know they use money, they buy love. You go there. Even as they use your dead body, should the money they buy love rich, it's still not. Are you okay? Are you happy? Are you okay? No, nah, never. If you not be original, you not feel like original. You say your stupid sister when Ogungo kill and useless children, they this Europe. They know they ever they come near you. Why? Why they know they come? Oh, why they know they come near you? Why they know they come around you? Down who man. Your bad head no behave. You get bad head for family. All the men when you born for different men, you have bad head. The children when you born get bad head. Tiny one we have born or say not walking out. Danny and are going to go bring alive. How you go your born for 3 different men? All the children get bad head. None of the evil carry papa ko and they can't see being big. I come. Mama dead body, pit toilets. Pit toilets. I don't say when they happy that time say when I won't cause problem between me and my baby daddy and his sister. Since when I don't post them, I don't know why you never come out. You not gonna shout. Oh, I forget so I know they like good thing. Hey, yeah. I forget some now they love better thing. Since when me and my baby daddy sister don't settle, they don't carry their picking, better picking, fine picking, correct picking where body complete for. A big bad me, nothing, no nyege. They don't go carry their picking. I don't need to introduce my pikin give a papa after 20 years. I don't need the bastard when you born, different bastard when you born. When you won't go carry the media papa. I've been at this life when you know they live so. They carry different men, they come, they show them. A life in it our live. You know, it's a very useless life they live. Even when me and my baby daddy they quarrel, we will never settle. I swear and I promise never to bring another man come close to my son. I promise and I swear never ever to bring another man come close to my son. Even as he's small. See, even if I want one later, if you don't see big small, and if I start to the fuck man, that man. Maybe the man when I will fuck now, he will know me for social media. He will see my baby picture. If he know my baby for face, he will sign for picture. But you know what? See any person, at least not be the first time. Not be when I just start to the fuck, he go see my picking. The man they grace. If you don't see him for picture, but you know what? See him in person. That is what I say as a woman when you get dignity, when you know value of picking. Yes, when you get love and respect for your picking. Yes. See, I will not bring any man come close to my son. Never. If I want fuck, I don't know where they for the. I don't know if the man not get house, hotel not there. Or will not go find bush enter. Even if you okay say you can't be you quick one. When you enter bush, you're doing. I rather do one for streets. Will you go guide me? I run there. Everybody go in house. Than the idiot go come where my picking day. Never. Wow. Before he go say he won't see my picking, I go see the level of commitment or I am serious. Because I cannot afford that kind of life when you they live. Salas come. Man no go. Once the man no go even the first time when they fuck you, you don't carry your bastard in beside dead body children of your gear. From Victor come, Amos come, the other one come, Arabu come, Oyibo come, Abanese come. Who? Anywhere, oh, I have never seen a woman that is useless as mama dead body pit toilet in my me. Even if you don't get respect for yourself, you don't even get for those best ideas. Say that even their papa reject them. Even if their papa reject them, say that the children are bad head, they carry on life. You know, we even pity for them. We We be saying every rat and rabbit we do a hole. Where do you big why you not get self-worth? Now so you they learn bad thing for this media, but you know they learn the good one. You won't go imitate people say that they marry. Much marry by fire by fire. Much marry. You not imitate the one when they know they carry man, they come with their children. They. You don't see it's your birthday. It's your birthday, yes. I use that one respect at that time when we they talk. When you won't go fuck man, you go carry a pikin, go give person. You get person when they come carry pikin that time. Yes, that one I know. I don't feel like me no. I want to be a water. Me to reyoni. If a person go come carry a pikin, or he go leave the pikin for person for house, he go fuck. When I'm here go when now go happy toilets. Asha what masha when mama dead body. Maybe na him make that one even die for coma. Because when they carry different men, they come house. You don't know waiting those men they carry they go. They'll go use the hand, touch the pikin. Maybe na him make that one when we say no one that the pikin stay for coma for 2 years. They're not gonna know what they do. He am not value and value. They tear the pikin throat to you fear and you not fear. See, that woman wicked. Mama dead body. Now from here now the pikin can they breathe. You know they feel they breathe for nose. Plus the evil when you do for this media, yes, plus the evil. All these men when they carry the come. You know what they carry, you carry the nine cosam. You know so children they know they like those things. Yeah, like eh. Any rat when he fuck that idiot now he go fake and go. Now he go fake and go meet. Whether the relationship go last for 2 days or it no go last, that idiot was carrying pikin, his children, all those bastards, you carry they go meet them. You know imitate them for easy bed they say, easy bed they not carry man. Apart from this one when they come marry so carry different men when they fuck and that time that one they fuck Gambias that time when a Gambia you want be at home. Also you not making am describe who okay? Yes. You not quand they fuck the one that they disturb and so they disturb busy that time. Oh no man, no. He said she prefer to fuck Gambia than to fuck the people when you carry to go meet. She said she prefer to fuck Gambia than to fuck the people when you carry your content to they have like at the end of the day not be me that for describe. You're not described babe. But she not fuck them for where he became there. That one will give her as a mother. But you not be mother, you not pit toilets. Where she? If not because of government money, you for no even born. Now longer job because of tea, because you won't use all those bad head children take shop money. Or say no when not be because apart from prostitute, you have never worked with your hand in your existence. Now, cause you not get value or respect or love for those children because you have never worked. You only they born those children for different father just to collect money. You have never worked for them. Imagine having a bastard, another bastard for this. Whether than sellers get I don't know. Three bastard, three papa. You don't get self-love or what or respect for them. And it's very bad. I can never. I don't see myself doing that to my son. I'd rather just stay with her prick. Since my baby daddy, I never fuck any man. I have work in my hand now. He making them when I will and when they kill women. When me stay without take care, also no boy na that way. If Salas go soon come on, he go see come beat you for this meeting. Come better, don't better. And Salas have a baba. You see that one when you go when you the henna, and he go see come this meeting come beat you. Describe your toto again, cause you can never learn. You know they learn. Imagine person you born for one man. The man reject I no learn. He born for another man again. He no learn. He come born for another man again. He still did not learn. You can never learn. Now this rotten life, now you call life can do. Nobody will not get your bad side or anything when they do. But there will be a certain area in your life, boundaries go there. Just like me, Surati balls, more boundaries. There are areas for my life where boundaries there. E.g., sharing my toto, a boundary wherever. Ooh. When boundary you hear me. That's why as men rush me rich. Only here your time. I know open I put boundary, man. It's good as a human being, you go get the area for your life when you go put boundaries. So this are the no-go area. That is why with all the lies we wanna talk, apart from say I dey naked, even when my baby daddy even know before, I even post them. Nothing else. Nothing. Even for this pamplona, when I forget haters, mama for bastard they here. That one when she my disgrace don't wear coat. Nothing. They don't fit see anything because when you want to say something, you have to back it up with proof. Hey, say that not girl. No, you can't just say something. That's why what you they talk. Una don't ever realize what you say what you they talk, no they carry weight. At the end of the day, nothing, no proof, nothing to back it up. That is why at the end of the day, no could be fool or so. Or not be this time my age now. You know. That is why at the end of the day, the family when I born for. Now they could still beg me. Yes. No, not be one cause problem between me and them. No, cause they happy. Since when I post her now, I never call appeal. No, that one they remove joy from my life. But that time when we have been once una don't succeed, cause problem between the house when I born for, when I born put, the man when I born put in sister. Una dey Shaya! Make una come here, oh! Una don't hear. But since when we don't settle now, I don't see say una appeal. What thing they happen? What is happening? The happiness don't disappear. If not be saying I'm money with that for saying me and sip some more. I know she say una appear again. Oh, sorry. I forget to say that one not the give una joy. No, that one not the give una joy. Yeah. Now the bad news, now they give una joy inside. This one man, peace and harmony. We don't use una settle when me and my family, the family we are born for. They are not showing me love, showing my baby love. They don't carry their picking. Meanwhile, you see they introduce your bastard, they give different men. Those your children never see their real papa. Not to talk of the family when they come. I pour spit for your face. How you will get one rejected bastard? You will get two, you will get three. How is it possible? Sarah T. Paul one and they laugh since. Now I saw you and the picking. He there with his family, he's now with his family, they know his family. He never even started to talk before. My baby was like 7 months. When the sister, I'll go check, make I forget the exact date. They not wait till make my baby reach 1 year old. They go look say, una be a share wo, say una be bad head. Because not be me go beg them. No, because me I never wrong them. Now una be one put word for the sister mouth. Now una be one put word. Now una put word for a man now. So I did wrong then. So they can't realize I'm not wrong then. Only waiting I do now to fall for him brother. I won't put it to and accommodate him. He can't give me belly. That's it. So that goes here and say, Sarah a nice person. Sarah a good person. Yes. All these people are evil people. Bad heads. People want to they like better thing. Meanwhile, my pikin now they she with the family, they with the papa, they with the papa's sister. If he pass and not they go work, you see anytime when you don't go work, you will come carry and me I will still free. Meanwhile, you they introduce your bastard from different papa, they give different men. You see they introduce your bastard, they force and they give other men when they fuck you. They never still know their roots. They never still know where they're from come. How many years they did so? In years who is now the rejected bastard? Who come born rejected bastard? I don't know. You say now waiting down on a body now you like to they put for person body. Because I can't believe you when they carry how many years speaking they go when they reject how many years ago. Nobody can claim man. Now you they talk to me. Well, now you gonna talk to me. You born another one for another man. They reject how many years a day now. That one you they grow like a sword when it be. They are growing. Still they don't know where they are from. They don't know one person for the side of the father when he born them. Probably their father now don't born another pikin or he don't fair born. If they grow like this now, they grow past this one. Maybe those one don't born girl. They feel fuck their sister. Because at the end of the day, it's their father. Instead of you fucking different men, P12 letter share, why not look for the father? Because at the end of the day, it's their father. Since they not look for you, because you are very useless, you are the most useless person. They not look for you, they not look for your bastard. Because my owner, they look for me, they come back. Since they not look for you, why you not look for them? As those your bastard now, bad head children when they grow now without papa, when you they carry different men, they fall for where they good. Is it good? For your mind, if it's in a life they live. No, for your mind, you think it's life that you're living. He will suffer. Because at the end of the day, you will think you if it's left for me alone, I for no got nothing to do with my baby daddy or your sister. Good morning, how are you, mommy pretty Stella? If it's left for me alone, I for not get anything to do with in my baby daddy and sister again for life. No. Probably good morning, mommy pretty Stella. Probably no, I was saying not they forgive. Ooh, I not near you near me. Agba no, I go beat you to infinity. I not near you near me. I go beat you till you die. I hate that thing with passion. Say he left for me. Probably will know. No. But because of their son, because of my son, he go come say, my son will come grow tomorrow now. Maybe now what he won't do. He go say now me. And they come beg. It's not the first time they even came to beg anyway. The time when I get belly, if not be me when they say it's stretch the matter, they come beg me when I get belly. Now me not agree that time. That is why my sister, if you advise me for this time, say, make I agree. I don't vote for that, I don't vote for them. The time I was pregnant, when you bastard was busy celebrating happy. If to say I won't boss on a bubble, I forgot the time. I was pregnant. My pregnancy was 2 months, I'll be 3 months. After that thing happened, it not reached 2 weeks. When my baby daddy sister come, he realized when she felt come beg. She did. I played the record now, and I'm not hearing. No, this is not the first time she came. She realized, oh, it's not the first time. No. I never even born my son, my king. I played the audio now. Oh, okay, no, pretend so I'm not here at that time. No, it's not the first time. When I get belly, I never born. My belly never even come out. I was 2 to 3 months gone. After una make and redo those rubbish, she realized quick. She come back. She come my parlor here. This time when she comes, so it's not the first time. It's just that one I mean not agree. I say lie. You know we quit because me. You get the one I take there. If to say I agree that time, she said she forget the time when I born. In short, now my name for not there my baby name. If to say me agree that time, no, she forget. As my family round me with love and harmony and all. Now so the two for that there, because Sarah is love. Oh, that's what you can never have till you die. When me no, she said she for that there now. Before my sister come from Italy, before my sister they come, he said she for that there. Now me not agree because me my get coconut head. If I don't verse, it take. If I verse, probably maybe because in my son, I said they see my son and I make me forgive them. Me. I be told say lie. The time when I get belly, no. They come back, but I say I don't agree. But I see my son, and when the bell was like, they're already born for them, not born for them. There's nothing now I can do about it. Anyhow, when you say make it the same picking, make it the same. If as my pikin they grow, as you come the carry at night, you carry go in house, they play with all those ones. I can't take that one away from my son, and I claim that I love him. I love my son so much that I no feel can afford them to take away that love of the father away from him. If not, I already put my name. I have my name on his son name already. I don't already do everything myself because I'm capable. I don't really do everything myself. Everything. Practically everything. So, now my work. Baby King is sleeping. He wake up in the night. I don't really do everything myself. Not be saying now the support when you go come bring. Now you go come. I don't really do everything they come. Oh yes. But based on the love I have for you, I was like, I have to let go. Forgive his sister, forgive everything. And after all, I see I still beat them. He walk in, I can't listen and say, even if now not cause that one not cause. I mean, after all, I still beat them. He walk got me. I know if he take no sense from any human being for this planet. You near me, you are a gun. I don't care who you are. I don't care. If I not near you, you near me. Your existence don't finish. But why I say I can't say for you, for their own. Now they are born give. Unlike you now, you don't know the father of your bastard when you born. Because I know where I born, I know who give me belly. So as they come again, back for the second time. Any of your baby stupid daddy, those your bastard when you born, have they ever come to beg you when you were pregnant or even when you born? They don't come beg you since. The men, different men when you born for. Those who won't dance children, those who can't get bad head rich. Those bad head children when you born. Their father don't ever beg you or their family. Say they won't see their picking. Even up to this age. Even now, have they come to beg you? You useless, you were fool. So they never come beg you since. They use those bad hair children hair they collect at you, that they collect help from government. And if you say life don't finish, they introduce them, they give different men when they fuck you. they see one as man, your house turn to hotel. You won't if you actually when you do the time when you see you won't finish. You won't say that you actually you won't continue. Your ugly bastard children go they see men, they go in, they come out, they go in, they come out. Oh, you think say children, even from Belle children they see. They know they see all those men different face when they come. Oh, because they know they feel they talk. You they oppress. If they talk now, you go lock them for underground. Go hold them. Put frustration when you take your life. When you take frustration, you put them for their body. They don't. Children when they don't big, they don't feel express themselves. Shame not they let you they bring a comment because say they being best side. Maybe people don't see how useless you are as a mother. You they feel they see money, they feed man, they cook for man, but your children body rashes, ekwarakwata, eczema, and leprosy for their body. Now so you they see money when you take the feed man, you take feed one, you take feed that one, but you know if you see money take rent house. Or where government to yeje no de vawa no de rieke de wo here. Or where government has you for they make mad for how many years? You they see money that they marry man, they feed them, they give man that in best size salas. But you don't see money they rent house. Umami go ya rent wa de vawa no. They you now from government house, government property, go from there they talk to person when they house in your house. Even if now one bedroom, go and rent. Yeah, rent. People they buy house now. Now me bring and call the social media say that they buy house. When I come now, I thought say na buying house I did. Now all of them they run, they go they buy house. They do competition of house. You say you want to do competition, but you not fit do competition of house, na competition of to buy man to the feed man. Now you do. Eh, ya gele wa swa Mario ho, aswa swa ma bo wa. And that parable na truth. They say God they punish person to buy man or to marry woman, but you know fit shop like when I say you will go buy house. Yeah, man, because they're not there. As far as Mario Huba, as far as Bowa, never. And now you feel go buy man, jobless, useless man, undocumented, homeless. But that thing no drive you say you go buy house. You know they see your mate, they see the buy house. Where why you not see do competition? Why you not go price house for Germany? Oh, you don't know where for the buyer. You don't know where for the seller. Now government house now you don't born for 3 different men, 3 bastards, 3 papa. Or one man go there, or what even if no even buy self to rent. At least I say rent is still there. You see they pay put. No. Well then you can't use yourself they compare who? Moi. Homeless bitch. After the old prostitute when you don't do for Europe, now for homeless people home, now for go end up. Wow, do a share wo, we both fuck you for free. Nothing to show up for it. You can't carry man, a bad man. Without man, you're not complete. No more that they feel fuck you when you have on this Facebook. You cannot do without prick. Go and learn how to put value for yourself. You should get value for yourself before you open to give man. It will be hard. You will look well. Now. You see that idiot when he can't call you that time. When now me give her your number. Or it is if I won't give her to I know will give him. Because I know they share to. I know be like you. Hey guy. Not be only in them many. If to say they will share to if you not even reach that bastard when he call it cry. Now laying are you swear out? Your buyer swear out. You know they will shame. You know even shame. The man they will tell you say you never see my toto, you never see my pants. But you, anybody if you can talk to me, even the one when I even shop is more money anything, if you can cost me, But what you know go ever fit talk say you fuck me. That one, I make sure say it no happen. But you, before they will talk to you, they'll first describe your toto first. How they say fuck you. You rotten, condemned human being. Wow, bell. Now the way when my family when I born put my baby father, when they come see how responsible I am, say na hate now na they talk. Base una talk na baseless, you no get base. Huh? So no be say Rabio, they come quick. Your bastard children now, they don't see their papa for eye. Up till now when they don't grab, they see their, even if they don't see their papa, what of the family member? They all reject them for you. And the one when you want to take worse thing, now 3 different bastards now you born, 3 papa, 3 pikin. Three bastard, 3 papa. 3 bastard, 3 papa. No, I mean, I don't born no, maybe me I not be baby freak. If I not born for my baby daddy again, say okay, we not come, you know, you never can tell. Oh, then I can't learn, you know, yeah, really gonna la, you know. That's why I won't go remove what in my body. I won't go remove what in my body now. In case the settlement, we don't settle. Hey, I don't true remove one from here. Because it's when I fuck and last. I don't agree fuck. I don't know what even put for him prick. I don't agree fuck another man again. I never most now because of my baby anyway, not because of him. Not because of him. For respect for my son. So I got to dedicate this time for him and take care of him very well. Time will there for me to fuck. What thing I put for my hand here? See here, this place. See this thing there here. They said they will come and make the remove and the prevention when I put. I don't know say now so that I don't know say this thing you know good. I for not put on. No, they tell me no. They tell me say go make me fat. They tell me say go make me fat. I was like I don't care. They tell me say go you make me. My fat. You know, see the time when I born, I got a little picture when we say I knew, but the time when I never put this thing, the difference was clear. What did go make me go put on? You know when I knew, boy, I was like, now maybe this, so 16, you know, be like say I would have dropped. Even if I know my phone, I never even ready to fuck now. And me and my baby daddy, whenever you said to say we won't fuck. But make the fair remove and first. Make the fair remove and you have to hey, remove it. Remove it. I know if it can't blow. Before you know now, they will come open door, join my door. Say because I know if he enters, I don't enter door again. I don't explode. I don't tell them, they say they will call me. And they say if they won't remove one. Because I thought they want that. The way they put on film. They use something put on like this. They say if they won't remove one, they will do it like surgery. They will weaken my hand. You know the way they weaken belly, because they won't cut here. I said to say I know I will not put this one no. They said they will weaken my hand here. So if say you don't put this one no, you'll be taking drugs or tell your man. If you don't marry, I will advise you on this. If you don't marry, you need prevention. You deal with husband, you not born. Maybe not born finish. Not put it. Tell your husband make you go remove Ebola. No, not be Ebola in Brokos. No, not be in Brokos. You get what that they remove when no they make man they feel they give him a belly. Make him go remove one. May they do prevention of taking in, not be woman. Or you they take medicine. The one when I want, because the woman ask me say I go like put on. I say the one when I go put if I don't remove one. Say I never ready one or anything. She will get drug. Even if I don't like to take drugs, because now make me remove this one. I don't like drugs. And he said drugs. There's one one. If you make love, you will drink them. And I said that one will be better. If I no make my remove this one. Remove this one. I know the time say go make me fat, but I don't know say I go fat literally like this. And me no like fat. I can't go to buy new clothes because none of my clothes they enter me again. clothes they enter me. He make it work. Now me not like fat. I like my I like my now. I like to the catwalk. Now me not like fat. But now me go do what you go make me fool everywhere. What is the time me make I leave all this useless idiot people? Are they come for now? Oh, now go happy again. Everywhere yours calm, everywhere yours quiet. All this useless single mother with 3 different bastards. When they happy, say me and my baby daddy sister or me and they quarrel. Now we don't settle. You see they talk, you see they happy. To tell you say na bad thing. That's why the bad thing they finish for their house. She has everywhere. Mama dead body. You no go come out. You no go come jump up and down. 3 bastard, 3 papa. Where those son? You know here say she can't even do say she dey fight for my baby daddy. You never go fight for where you different place where you born for. You never start go they look for the men. May they go they do DNA for the community. They look for who be the papa because you not prostitute. You don't know the father of those 3 bastards. You never go they fight for them or they go they look for them. You can't say na my own. Today now market. Our market shame my disgrace. Don't wear una agbada, coat and agbada. Our market. Wait. Let me show you a very beautiful picture of me and mine. See the beautiful picture of our family. Yes. You see us. The 3 different bastards when you born. Show the picture of the family of them. Whether you even know them. They didn't say who laugh last, laugh best. See where my son from come. In roots. I know hide them from a root. Even when I get belly, I talk around for time. I post the man when he give me belly. Unlike you bastard. Fear no go let una postman say na he be the father of una picking. If they born you post and if the man no go come out then I give you belly. If they born you post him, if you bold post the 3 bastard when you born for. May they go do DNA. May we see whether he go come out. Or make we even since you say na that you born for. May they even look the man or look the man family. Where the children resemble. Who the children resemble. Who the pikin resemble. You go, that's one another the bother they drag on a baby daddy. When the bother they post on a baby daddy because you don't even know who he is. Now woman when they sure like me, woman of value, woman of dignity, woman when they fuck one bola, when they carry belly, you go no say na you. Even if we they go anywhere, anywhere we want to go, I'm ready. Because I know for a fact my son etemegiame. I don't tell the talking for me. Etemegiame. My son no they bring water. As the woman when he know himself, when they put it to talk for one place, if they fuck man, they fuck man. Now one woman they fuck. I said now, even if you want to go and do DNA, I don't mind. Now Monica, there's papa who I say me go do DNA for how many years? Fear no let her go DNA. Monica there with man, another man say me can't do DNA for a baby boy. Now DNA we see the way for how many years? Almost 10 years now. The DNA you move here. Oh how much get down way? You decrease. You decrease. Papa why like if you go talk? Imagine. Not be even the man. When my baby daddy come, they make him mad for video when I do. I don't even know if you that one was making mad. That's how they talk. The man say make you go breed DNA. The man say make you go breed DNA. I don't have a problem of my baby daddy telling me to go and breed DNA. The man when I born for, in fact, I go want make him do the DNA. I don't have a problem with the man when I born for. When I say I be the papa, he go say me go do DNA. I have no problem. But now another man say make you go carry your bastard pikin. Me una carry and go clinic. The man when you claim say you born for different. The man when he say he won't do DNA. That's how useless some of you women can be. We are not the same. Who were useless? If to say now Bruce they would have some DNA now, is even to make sure saying they sure. Is even understanding. Now another man ask money care the share war for DNA. Bring the picking come and now that's if people they talk about that DNA, it will depend on. You know if it doesn't I go do DNA for the fact my people that will say me I go do DNA, it will they pay me. I will say me could they go because my son not they leak. Make we move. And if we come back there, now you're picking. Ready for me, oh? I will beat you. I will follow you. Money care for the past 10 years. You don't do DNA for your son. Papa, well, I say make you bring picking, make you not go run now. He say he go pay. We are still waiting. The man when you deal with different, the man when they ask of DNA different. I pour spit for my face. What bell? That one got to talk to me. One of the argument one. When I be arguing you want to go and now we bastard in here never. Now J boy life is in shambles. That one I don't even know where it belong. That one not even know where it belong. He not know in root. Only was swollen J boy and because we are not sure yet. We have to be sure. I'm doing fine, my darling. Don't mind them. I'm telling you, my darling. I say, oh, Mary J. Minding me, they in shame and disgrace and in pain. All of them. They in pain and in shame and disgrace. Waiting they wish for me. Last, now their hearts is still there. Imagine people when you born bastard children rejected. They say they won't put on me. No. You when you mania now one. You when you don't know give you belly with me when you know give me belly. We are not the same. Mama dead body the three bastard when you get you don't know their papa. Three papa three basti. Three papa three basti. You don't know their father. We are not the same. They will be basti, not pay me. They could be rejected. So as those children ugly rich, when you are ugly, any. If papa when he ugly, because he reject them for you. So ugly man reject ugly children for you. Ugly men when they rush women. No be fine man. You see as I post my babona, the father of my son. You call a peaceful body. Why you call a peaceful body? Why you be a Shut the man fine. Oh, you think now those ugly men when ugly man fuck you abandon picking. No, in our case dead, he get as a bill. If my baby daddy, me, I don't even wish to even marry my baby daddy. No. It's not my wish to marry him. Say I don't born one for him. I will prefer to born the other one for him. But marry, no. Because my baby daddy na person when different women won't fuck. And I can't deal with a shitting man. I tell him, the time when they you shit on me, you get out. Waiting make me not fuck and the time when I get belly. Because I tell him, say, you go put your prick for one place. He said no. Now that I could tell me, say, you want the fuck. Because say this share one with the Pamplona and then they won't fuck and because they feel saying fine. Oh, just fine. Just fine. And now say make it go young that you don't feel give me infection. And even now I'm pregnant. Now make that quarter reach like that. Now make we not fuck again till I born. Now I fuck my baby daddy till my tummy was 3 months or so. Because now you got the feel say the women won't fuck her for Pamplona. I go say, oh yeah, go meet them. So with me, I know if he marry my baby daddy, I can't marry him. Because except he's ready to keep it bola, he ready ghost the rest women, because even if as you find, if you need to find as a man, now you go say you won't put respect for your body, say you won't deal with one woman. Not be all men get that self-discipline. So he never get that discipline. And me, I cannot stay with a shitting man. Cannot me, you won't give HIV or sickness. Wow. Before you give me, I will give you. If I notice you the shit, I will go shit, give you HIV, give you everything. Because me, you can't give me. Wow. So my baby daddy now man when all the women they won't fuck, and they say ready to won't fuck them. No, I can't marry such man. But I'll feel your my picking for him. Yes. Then I'll go for another person. When he ready put Ebola for one place. Except he ready to put Ebola for one place. Say, hey. Now so they say I see fine. Because that kind of fine man never talk to you one day. The men when he fuck you, reject ugly children, they're ugly. You know they let they present. That's how useless you people are. You can never attract, because I can't look at all the men when they toast me. How many find for inside? They're rich still. And they're broke. I don't see rich one. I don't see rich one for inside. When he rich. Don't when they call the game money that time, but that one not gonna get prick. We make it twin. I can't look how you go there with broke man, you go see ugly. You ugly, you broke. But you carry the one when he fine, he broke. Not be say he broke, but he just new come. Now cause I know I see there anyway. Now I say make I carry the one when he person we all know the one when he did. I why na jevo. Now I take ghost the rest when they talk to me. If not the many. And the many when I will choose from. Even the one when he say he won't marry me before we even fuck, then they. If to say me won't marry. So there goes, he say, make I for no say he ready. When I can't get belly, when I can't post my baby daddy, when I can't say he call me, he say, now me feel doing this kind of thing. So me say me what that's why this life anyway, you know, balance. Yes. Who want you don't want to, you know, something like that. Me say me won't marry you, I don't want fuck to toe. Make you for this sure. You know. Now you know another one say, hey, say that you kill me. Me, I don't care. I don't give a fuck. I don't care. You know? That was it. Because when we want marry before you even fuck, before me or you see my toto, just for assurance, so say you are ready. Then now, all of them were talking to me. They made me. Now then they rush me. You now mama dead body. Now you they rush them. Now you they beg me to fuck you. How would they beg mama you fuck me? Why? Who were cool? Who were cool? Who were cool? When they say person rotty, who were cool? Only waiting you all know. After you do a share finish, you begin to put for different men. They use the bad, ugly children here. They collect money from government. They use and see they cook for different men when they fuck you. Wow, bastard in me. You have any affair with you, only rien affair with you. Et dig neberon wearing young. We no can wearing you who done who can be any. What they very well. Who kiddo your three bastard, three papa. Three bastard, three papa. Shameless thing. If to say na me be you, I can never be you. But if to say na me be you, you see Silas, I not go born for him. You know your get sense, women why? Full sense. Only waiting you know, woman will be saying, you don't get value for himself. Now only picking. If to say me don't fair born, you tell me for born for my baby daddy. You are a very stupid idiot. Wow, bell. Not to say any man when you come. The men use you, turn. If you give men your body, may they will use you anyhow when they like. Now make me not give them their total. Because now make me not give them my total. Because I don't know, say now only waiting they want be that. If you not be man when you won't fuck you, now they fine. Tell them say you they are valuable. Make you see them. No rien. They said make they come fuck. That's the only thing they are good at. Very useless set of people. If you ask the only come 2,000 euro, 1,000 euro, oh before some will even give you 300 or even 200, you know where you are now. But say me they can't do toto. Oh, papa. You go hold everything, pa. But make it bring money, she, you know, go see. Give the tell them say me you make they can't do toto now. Make you see how they go land on the one they tell land on for your house. No bell. All the men when I reject for this face because all of them fuck you. If I don't reject the finish, they will all go there, they will fuck them. All the men when you fuck this bastard for this social media. Because I was here before you. All of them use your total lane. At the end of the day, what you get for inside, they describe them. Give them now. If they not go fuck you pieces. If you ask, you know, now let woman will not get sense. Now you go feel say, all of them they toast me. Make I give them. Because never see person when made the toast before. I share who. Now only you that they toast. Daddy, we are going out. Now because I get sense, now make me know. Say they not they give them total the fuck. If you want even fuck, use your brain, select. Look well. That is why. You know how many men I promise? You they craze. You know how many men toss me for this media when any of them not see my total fuck? You the mad public toilets. I see you the word update. When be said today, none of them fit describe my total. You know how many men toast you? You know what me they do now? Woman when they naked for social media, when they do. You use your head calculate the men when they toast them. Honor few rats. When they come toast you, yana zanzan worry about going pit toilets. What devil war. You know how many men? You know how many I promise when I give guarantee. You know how many I use swear oaths? When that one, now let that one cry come out. That stupid one, now let it cry come out. When I go use it, I go give the Serati boss. He go get assurance. He might go, oh, I will go fuck Sarah. The next time I will block your head. That one could not take it. That bastard could not take it. He no imagine and say na me as if he's the only one I've done it all. That stupid one gonna cry. No, so now that you are test swear oaths, it's just that the other men they get dignity, they get pride. Those one don't want your cry, they don't want food themselves. You ma only a fool like me where oh say I use me swear oath, but you know see toto. Those one now let that one they shameless. Imagine woman say me you swear oath, but you never see toto. Una vempo. Now the next time when I use the rich, you can't they talk. Sarah don't go swear, you know what way. You they not use to swear, but they fuck you scatter. You are now aware. They don't need to even swear out with you. Your toto already make pa. You are whining. Well, you got a you where? You don't know how to treat men. You don't know how especially when you are on media. You have to be very careful. You know how many men you take swear oaths? Okay, because they're not crack comments. Those one get shame. Because if they're shameful, that one normally they're shameless. Because maybe for those one they shameful to say they will say you swear. No, you know say that time they go they talk say, oh they thirst that Sarah self. That's why I won't be ashamed. That's why I won't be open to talk for media. That's why I won't be this. Nobody they toast them. So for them, those one, they know if they even come out, they don't even want me people know so they even go missing after they don't cost me finish. Maybe people call say, so you go to Sarah, and Sarah use to swear oaths, and you never see Toto. Now I made those one yourself, you know what, they yourself make meow,